Hey guys, thanks for watching my last lesson, the beginner level. So today I'm gonna teach you how to use the camera to do the path animation. So okay, let's start. But before that, I need to create some model because easy to explain. Okay, so we speed up. Here have a few 3D object. So now, how to use the camera to do the path animation? Okay, normally we just using this one. Okay, shape. Okay, the inside. This one all is a spline object, it's a 2D object. We can using this all to do the path. Let's say like this model. Now I want to make the camera animation. Okay, I want to walk around and then all is focus this object, this area. Okay, I want to see this area. Okay, look around. Okay, so now more easy, you can using circle. Okay, because easy to modify the path. Okay, so now you just go to top view, just create, start from the middle one, and then okay, create one the circle like this. After that, done already, select move. So now remember, if you go to top, okay, create the object. Then you can see front or maybe left, you can see the level is a floor level, so you need to take up. Okay, so about the level, this one is depend what level you want. Okay, because for me, normally I just using the eyes, human eyes level. Okay, or maybe more than eyes level also can. That one is depend what animation you want. Okay, so now you can see here we have a circle. Okay, so we can use this circle to make the path animation. Okay, so now I full screen. So okay, see this one. Okay, after circle you done already, is it? So now next, okay, back to the normal. Now you need to go create camera. Okay, so normally we just use the standard for now. Okay, then you use target. Okay, still remember target camera function. You just select the target camera, then go to top view, just press, hold and move. So this one is a target camera. So select and move. So like just now I mentioned, because now I want to do the path animation, I want to use the camera, then I want to see this area. So we just focus this area. So that means the target you can focus, you just put inside the center here. Okay, and then now the target select for this one you can put anywhere because later we need to select the camera and then link with the circle to make the path animation. So now if the position done already, so now you select the camera. Next you go to animation, okay, and then find out this one contrast and then path contrast. Just click and then you can see the dotted line. Okay, you just click the circle. After click, then you can see link already. Okay, so that's mean if after path contrast you done already, right? Then now you still remember this one is time frame. Okay, so this one is time frame. You can play the animation, but before you play, you need to select which view you want to see the animation. So I select perspective view. Then you play. Then you can see the camera. Okay, start animate. And then the camera will follow the circle. Okay, just walk around like that. Just repeat only. So this one is very easy. This one is a basic camera path animation. But because this one, okay, remember, because now we have an animation already, so that's mean you need to select perspective view or other view, change to camera view because we need to see the view is it okay or not for the animate. Okay, just click C. Remember, after if you change to camera view, okay, let's go here, right click, open this one, show set frame. Because if you want to make sure the render ran, okay, so you need to open or set frame, remember. Okay, so now this one is a camera view, so I play the animation. Then you double check, is it the animation okay or not? Actually, a bit zooming already, and then another one is a bit boring because why? Okay, I show you why a bit boring, because you can see the path too flat already if you see the left or maybe front. So that means we can adjust the path. We don't want to make like very flat one. That means your animation is very a bit boring. Okay, so now I want to make something like roller coaster, something like that. Okay, I want to adjust the line, adjust the path a bit like maybe something like, okay, I just go to camera view, then change to propel stick. Remember, just click P because easy to adjust. Select the circle. Still remember, if you want modify the circle, you just go to modify. But if the default setting, you only can adjust radius. Okay, so now I want to adjust the level. Okay, the camera camera height level. So you just go to modifier list, open, find out, edit spline. Okay, only edit spline can modify the spline object. Remember. Okay, so select the tag. So now you can imagine maybe here I want to put down, and then here maybe put down a bit, then here just go up, something like that. You can adjust the level. Maybe here I want to go in, something like that. You can adjust. Okay. So now if finished already, you can off the tag. So now go back to the normal layout. Now change to camera view again. Okay. But remember, you need to double check, is it the camera length okay or not? Or select the camera also, go to modify, double check the length, how many again. But normally it's 24. Okay, normally it's 24. Okay, so now select the camera view again. Okay, so now we start play animation. See, is it the view okay or not? It's a bit nicely than before. Okay, so this one is a camera path animation. You still can adjust. Okay, after if you using the path contrast, you still can adjust the circle to make the animation more creative or what. Okay, so now for this camera, actually it's very suitable to do the external camera path animation. Okay, especially the target camera. Actually, target camera is a very suitable for the outdoor animation. Okay, so now we try to make another one. Okay, so how about the free target? Okay, is it for the target? Is it for the camera animation only can use target camera? Actually, free camera also can use, but free camera more suitable for the internal animation. Okay, so I can show you why. Okay, so this one we just reset. We don't want to delete, so don't set. If you don't want, just click, and then you want to reset. Yes. So now, actually, I have a sample I already done before, so you can open. Okay, go to find out lesson. Okay, this one, lesson 14. Okay, open. So this one, actually I already done. Sound like the very simple interior layout plan. So easy to do example. Okay, easy to explain for me about the free camera path animation. Okay, let's say for now, okay, I change to the normal layout. Okay, so now I full screen top view because easy to setting, easy to modify. Okay, so now same like the just now the target camera. First you need to open shape, but this time don't use the circle. Okay, you need to use line. Okay, you can imagine if one person he want to go inside this layout, okay, to look around the layout, and then after that go up. How? Okay, so you need to use line because easy to adjust. Let's say this guy, okay, start from here, go in. Okay, you can imagine, go to the living area here, and then after that you turn, then go out, and then go in to see the kitchen area, and then go out again, okay, and then allow another, maybe this one is a master room. After that, go in another room again, and after that, go up, okay, like that. But don't combine, remember, because this one is a path animation, we don't combine, okay. So just click, and then after that, how to break the line, okay, just right click, break the line. So this one is a line, it's a path animation, but haven't finished. Okay, you need to select and move again because we need to match this line become the smooth, especially the corner. You can see this here, the corner. Okay, because if you want to make camera animation, you want to tap the path, you want to tap line, circle to make the camera animation. Especially you can see here the corner. Okay, don't use the corner. Okay, you must make this one become the smooth one. Okay, so select the line, then go to modify. Okay, use vertex. Okay, actually for me actually I will highlight the old one, right click, change to busy corner, so easy to edit. Okay, so now you can select one by one. Okay, something like that. And you also can move if you feel not enough. If you feel the position maybe more suitable here, okay, you can edit and then go here. Okay, this one is up to you. Okay, so because time problem, so let's speed up. Okay, done. I think should be okay. So done already. So this one, remember, vertex off. If you're not off, you can also select other object. Now go to the normal layout. Then you can see because this line actually I correct from the top view. So that's mean if you go front and left, remember it's a floor level, so you need to tap up. Okay. So for this one, okay, you can put human eyes level, something like this. Okay. So now open again. Okay, you need to double check is it the line okay or not. Okay, it should be okay like that. Okay, and then this one remember. Okay, you need to open. Maybe you can open first. Okay, also can. If you don't want, but before that, you need to open. Remember before you start render. Okay. So okay, so now this one. Okay, so now I have path already. So now go to the next stage, go to camera, but this time we don't want to use target. Okay, we just use free. Okay, you just open. Okay, but normally free, if you want to correct, you cannot go to the part view. Because why? Because if you go part view, you just click, then you can see the camera go down. You can see the camera direction. Okay, look down the level, the floor level. Okay, so just delete. So you just go to front or maybe left, choose one, just click. Then you can see the camera come up already. Now, we change the direction. So now we need to go in, see the area. So you need to put in. Okay, put the center like that. Okay, so now select the camera. Still remember just now that one? Animation, contrast, half contrast. After that, click, then click the line, the path. Click. You can see link already. Okay, so now if you see, if I move the time frame, then you can see the camera already got animation. But before that, okay, I need to undo first. Control Z. Okay, before using animate constraints. Because why I say like that? Okay, don't do any record first. Because remember, okay, like previous lesson I already mentioned, time frame is very important. Okay, before you start do the animation, link with the path. Okay, you need to change the time frame first. Because for this one, I already changed. Because normally it's 0 until 100. 1 second is 30 frames, remember. So that means you need to imagine if just 3 seconds, if one person he go in, he need to use 3 seconds plus to root around the house and then come out. Actually, it's very faster. Okay, it's very faster. So that means the animation is very high speed. Okay, so now you need to imagine if normally one human, the human need to waste how many seconds to root around the house like this. Okay, so imagine. Okay, just click time combination open. Okay, so for this one, for my experience, let's say maybe can put 900 frames. Okay, actually 900 frames also a bit rush because I think should be okay for this one. Just try first. Okay, so 900 and then just click OK. 0 until 900 is a 30 seconds. Remember, you need to change the time frame first, then after continue the animation. Now let's start again. So select the camera, animation, contrast, path contrast. Just click, and then click the line. So now link already. So now we have a 30 seconds to root around the house. Okay, but haven't finished, remember, because why? Okay, we focus top view. You see, because this one is a free target, so if now we have an animation or the path animation, so now if you move the time frame, then you can see any different. What happened? You can see the free camera just look the same direction. Okay, so that means we need to modify again for this one. Okay, so now we full screen the top view. Okay, so still remember auto key, you need to use auto key for that. Okay, open. Okay, so now you imagine. Okay, just go in. Okay, this one direction should be okay. You also can follow the path. Okay, to make your direction. Okay, just follow the path. Okay, until here, then you need to use select and rotate. Okay, change the direction. Then go here. Then this camera direction you need to U-turn. Okay, so like you can imagine this one is a human eyes. Okay, U-turn, go back. Okay, you just follow. If you don't know how to adjust, you just follow the path. Okay, change to the medium of. Okay, change like that. Okay, go in and then look here. Okay, so something like that. So let's speed up. So done. So after that done already, remember auto key off. Okay, so go back to select and move. So now, okay, let's try the animation. Play this one, click play animation. Then you can see the animation for this camera actually already have a rotate animation. Already have a rotate option. Okay, so now you can see. Like this. Okay, so now we go back to the normal layout because now for this one we need to go camera view. Okay, we just select perspective view, change to the camera view, then double check. Okay, but before, remember you need to check the camera lens. Is it okay or not? You see, it's a 43. Actually, a bit zoom in. That's okay. So for me, you can select 24. Okay, so maybe the 24. So now zoom out, full screen. Okay, so just click play animation. Okay, see the effect. Actually, still a bit rushed because only have 30 seconds to root around the house. Okay, if you feel you want to zoom out a bit, also can, but you don't want to go out back to the normal and then select the camera, also can. You can using this one, camera view, just right click, then select camera. Then this program will directly to select the camera. You can see this one. Modify, direct go to the modify and then adjust again. No need to go back normal layout and then select the camera and then go to modify. You can use this one. I click select camera for this camera view. Okay, so now if you feel 24 not enough, maybe you put 20 like that, then play again. Okay, so this one is a basic camera path animation. So free camera more suitable for the internal, especially like this interior. Okay, and then the target more suitable for the outdoor. Okay guys, this all is I want to show you for today. So for the next lesson, I will show you about the 3D advanced level. It's a 3D plus VRAD tutorials, especially interior design. Thanks.